Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the influencer feature and how you can use it for your use case. So we'll dive into the tool and kind of set up a search. So what we're doing here is finding individuals who have been creating content that could contain an audience that ultimately we want to tap into because they have ICP prospects who are raising their hand, are showing an interest in a certain topic that you can then ultimately use as part of your outbound messaging and reach out to them and kind of, get a conversation going about that particular interest before ultimately you pitch them. So to do this is very straightforward. So if I was going to build this for Trigify, I want to know, we're an outbound tool, we're in the outbound space. Like, I want to know if there are any people out there who are making content that contain the keyword outbound. So if I come into here, okay, there we go. So lots of people. So we can see, okay, like this individual, like all these people here are making content. Like Nick, for example, I know his profile. Like he does a lot of videos about like outbound strategy. Clay, he's a lead gen agency. So that kind of person. And I can see that he's got strong engagement, so 111 average engagement and 14,000 followers. So he may be someone that I particularly want to monitor and sort of like ultimately like tap into his audience. And in terms of filtering for the influencers, so you can add all the sort of standard filters here. So if you want them to have a particular role, location, etc. And the range is 24 hours, 3 days, or 7 days back. So it's quite fresh data that we're grabbing. And if you want to then push these people straight into profile engagement and start monitoring their engagement, it's very straightforward. All you need to do is click here, save to, add to profile engagement, or if you just want to export the entire list, you can do that as well and export to a CSV. So very straightforward and yeah, very simple, but can be incredibly powerful if you find the right influencer with the right audience with a good ICP ratio.